Who would have thought that a little mini gadget that looks like a pizza cutter would be the way forward in helping you get a better, finer liquid eyeliner? Well, I found this product by Nudestix, and it is literally that. And I absolutely adore the name. It's called Rock and Roller. Now, it's probably very hard for you to see here, but it looks like a little roller. Let me show you there as it gets into focus. And if I just draw it on my hand, you can see how thin and how easy it is to draw. So take it out. It's got a little suction pot in there which removes any excess product so you don't overload your eye, which is a great tip. I've had this tested by a few friends and they've loved the longevity of this product. It literally lasted through yoga sessions, watery eye moments, emotional moments. Anyway, I digress. So take and pull your eye very slightly, half close it and roller it on. You literally use the weight of your lashes to guide this and push this on your eye, and it's so easy. The shade I'm using here is called Bronze Patina, and I'm making it slightly thicker on the outside and then over my little lumps and bump of my eye, and then just in here. Look how nice and tidy that is. You've just got so much more control with this rollerball. It's genius. I'm really happy with it. I've chosen the bronze just to go with this lovely sort of lilac-y colour because I think it looks a little bit more soft and romantic. Right, let's go for the other side. Give it a little match up. Follow my line of my lash. Lift it out. Woohoo! It's really, really easy. And it's also good to do because it's quite liquidy, the ink, so it naturally just falls with gravity into the corner of the roots of your lashes. Not bad. Not bad at all. Just pushing that out so as my socket collapses a little bit there, just going to push that back even more. Well, I mean, I want to do more, but I don't really need to. Don't need to wing it out either. You can just put it along the top just to give your lashes definition. So for the colours on my eyes, I've used a Kevin Aucoin Electro Pop, and I've used this shade and this shade just to kind of get a graduation of colour because I wanted to do a little kitten flick on my eye that sits really well. And also it's dried very well. I've only applied this very quickly on my eye before, and I used it on a client. I was really impressed. I thought, oh, I'll do it for a film just straight away. And I'll finish off with this rather sexy packaging from Victoria Beckam for Estee Lauder. And because I've done, you know, a nice liner, it's always great to go in with a very fine brush. So then you can wedge the mascara right to the roots of the lashes. Oh, I like this brush. That's nice and controlling. Firm. Yeah, I can get a lot of pressure against my lashes to lift it out. With this kind of like cat eye flick, you don't really want anything that's too bulky on your lashes. You want something that just gives a lot of definition. And I just follow that lash line out just to like match up with my flick. And I love it in bronze. It's softer. Sometimes black liner can be really hard. And I think this just looks a little bit prettier, especially with denim. I might just do a tad, really, really delicately on my lower lashes so it just doesn't look so top heavy. I think it looks a bit nicer like that. Great. Brilliant. Great product, Nudestix. I'll put the details below. I love my pizza cutter eyeliner look. Really simple, really great tool. Go and try it.